Blood of London.
Okay, good morning. I'm here with Andy Ahrens from Navis, packing and shipping in Bonita Springs this morning. And Andy, we're so thrilled to meet with you because there are many Canadian friends and artists that we know that have artwork. So Andy, can you just share with us for a minute about your service and what you do?
Sure, so we do it all with one phone call. You call us with your opportunity in Naples or Toronto. We have a branch in Toronto, very art focused. We will pick up, we will package, we will ship, we will insure, and we will offer white glove delivery, whether it be in Naples or Toronto. We do it all in one phone call very seamlessly. And if you're Canadian, we bring the customs factor. We handle all of the customs and take care of everything to make it happen in 7 to 10 business days.
Is that such a huge factor for us right at the moment, is that border transition? So it's great to know that we have a company like yours that can certainly expedite and feel confident about the process in getting the artwork to its destination.
It's our pleasure. Let us know if we can help. We have a fabulous branch in Toronto, I said. Ray and his wife, Bernice Friedman. Call them or call us down in Naples, Andy and my wife, Wendy. Look forward to having the chance to serve you.
Thank you, Andy. So there we go. Canadian artists and Canadian art lovers with Remark Art Consulting. We can now help you and get your artwork home safely. So thank you very much, Andy.
Thank you, Joanne.
Pleasure to meet you.
Likewise. Take care.